What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about why you need to take a look at the Scuf Instinct Pro. Alright guys, so I've already opened up this controller that way, but I just kind of wanted to take you through the unboxing, kind of just resealed it. It's got really nice high quality packaging. So right off the bat, you know, you take it out here, it's got this little, just like a protective film here, and we could get a good look at the controller right here. So one thing I really like right off the bat is the weight. So I have the stock Xbox Series X controller, and I also have the PS5, and when you feel the PS5 controller, it just has a heftier feel and it feels better in the hands. I really like that, and I was really sad that the Xbox didn't have that, but now with this controller it feels extremely similar. Great feeling D-pad, dimpled joysticks, much better feeling button press. Of course, the triggers. We go to the back, you can see that they've changed the paddles up. They're not actually paddles, they're kind of more embedded. I've used them already, I really like them. But here's the key feature, guys. You see this right here? These little knots right here are what control the mouse click triggers. So when you buy the Pro version, the more expensive version of this controller, you're paying for that right there. See, if you see that? Let me see if you can see that. Very short travel, whereas if you don't have it, you get the full travel. And that was something that was killing me with the Xbox controller, and even so the PS5 controller. But look at this, you really can't beat that. And you know, I really enjoy it. Let's go to more what's in the box here. Once again, I've opened this already, but what's really cool is, you know, they give you a braided USB-C cable, which is really appreciated. It's a very good quality. I like that. It's gonna last a long time. Comes in this little box right here. You get your they give you a set of batteries, which is something I kind of don't like. I know Xbox people, I think some people still argue for batteries, but I'm not a huge fan. So you can use batteries with this controller. I would have preferred a lithium ion, but you know, who knows, maybe that cut costs down. But you still have the batteries. And what's another cool thing is they offer the undimpled thumbsticks. And you could just pop, everything here is magnetic. You just pop off the faceplate. You can replace it really easy. And then of course your manual. So that comes right off the box. And you know, like I said, you get 3 profiles. That way, you know, a lot of people ask, you know, why do I need 3 profiles for my controller? Well, if you're playing a game like Splitgate, or maybe you want to assign the paddles to your portals, or maybe you're playing Call of Duty where you want to assign it to melee and reload, or you're playing another game like Halo where maybe you'll set it to something else. Having 3 profiles is extremely you know, beneficial to anyone who just kind of wants to seamlessly transition. But you know, above all else, guys, the main thing, the reason why you're buying this is for these triggers. It's just not even a question. And we're gonna cut to some gameplay footage right now so I can kind of show you like just how quick, how responsive, and how good it feels.
2, 1.
So one of the things I didn't mention is that you can actually I have the long drag on my left trigger and the short on the trigger
Gain the lead
to kind of still give me that more natural controller feel. Let's see how I like it. Let's see how this goes. First game.
Lost the lead. Tied the leader.
Trigger feels good. Still getting used to it.
Lead. Lost the lead.
Man, that trigger.
Tied the leader.
You already can see, man, that trigger feels nice. It's quick, guys. It is quick. Oh my god. Yeah,
the lead. Tied the leader. Gain the lead.
Yeah, that feels real sharp. It's just so responsive, and you know, in these games, it makes like a half second difference, which is huge. It's huge. Oh, he flanked me. Oh, that guy was just terrible. I thought he had me. He was just terrible, but I don't know, maybe it's the controller. No, I'm just kidding. Nah, guys, but yeah, this I feel like this is a game changer. Does it replace mouse and keyboard? No.
Lost the lead.
Is it closer? Is it better? Yeah. All right, guys, and that's my take on this controller. I love it. I think it's a game changer. Is it a replacement for mouse and keyboard? Absolutely not. We already know that this is going to be a debate that probably goes on forever. But I really do think that this controller is shortening that gap a little bit, because that was kind of one of my main complaints was, like, you know, the long trigger pulls of controller. Even there's controllers out there that can shorten it up, like the Elite. I can tell you, I've used the Elite. This controller feels much better. It feels higher quality. And yeah, I just think it's the new premium controller on the market. So if you're somebody that, you know, doesn't adapt well to mouse and keyboard, or maybe you don't want to use mouse and keyboard, or maybe you're just looking for a controller to use when you go to a friend's house or you're traveling and it's a lot easier to carry a controller, definitely pick this up. I highly recommend it. I do not recommend the base model. I definitely recommend the Pro model, because if you don't get these triggers, I honestly don't see the point in buying another controller. This is what it's all about right here, baby. Anyway, thanks for tuning in the video. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later.